Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your screen on Discord using like your Android phone or something like that. This is easy, just swipe up and go to Discord, then join one of these parties on the side, and you want to go to a voice channel. So here's a voice channel right here. When you're in the voice channel, just join it, and then you can see yourself speak. You can turn on your camera right here. Hey, there's Sir Timothy. And then what we want to do to start share screen is swipe up from the bottom, just like this, and then we're going to have the option to share your screen right here. Tap this, and you might have some permissions you have to accept, and we can just go to share screen, share entire screen, and then you're sharing it right now. And then you can switch on over to your application. Just hit the switcher, and you might have something else on here. You can go back to the home screen, and you can just start up your game, and you can see you're still share screen up there in the top left. That's still going. At any point in time you want to end it, you have to go back to Discord. So usually I just hit the switcher. Here's Discord. And you can hit this little button right here, the red one, or you can just swipe on down and go back to stop sharing. Right there. So people in this little Discord can see you, and you can mute your audio down here too if someone came in. And then you got the comments and stuff right there. But you can stop it, and then you are good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.